hello. This is Peg with Craft Room Stories, and Happy New Year. Okay, so today is New Year's Eve, and over the holiday, my sister came from Tennessee, and we crafted. I finished this little gem. What I did not do, however, was make a tassel for it, and I think I will make a tassel. I'm not terribly good at making tassels, but maybe we can do that for a video and you guys can give me pointers. So this is the cover. This is a My Porch Prints paper kit that I've used that I absolutely adore. My friend Deb found me this gorgeous fabric that has bunnies all over it. It matched perfectly. So I decided to do a ring bound journal, and it's just tied off with some, yeah, I can't get it untied. Some, this is like organza, or no, that's not the right word. It's not organza. I can't remember what this stuff is called. Well, anyway, it's that. I've got lovely little ruffled tulle here, a couple of flowers, obviously lace, some fun pearly trims with rhinestones, and here we go. Let me make sure I'm on screen. Okay, I am. You guys can see everything. Oop, just knocking my stuff all askew. Let me get stuff out of the way. Okay, this kit is so gorgeous. Okay, so we've got a fabric pocket over here. Got some fun tags. I did not do, you know, always some, I sewed around all the tags, but I didn't do immense decorations on some of them because this is more of a baby book, and I want her to be able to put her stuff in here. So I've got some envelopes and I don't have anything in them, but look how stinking cute that is. And I've got, you know, lots of little clusters and everything. I didn't even use everything in this kit because it's huge and gorgeous, but look at that. I mean, just sometimes very simple things. I did get this out of a off the front of a pattern book, and backed it so that it would be more sturdy, and used it as a little tuck spot. I've got some hymns in here. Jesus, Hold My Hand. That was my mother's favorite hymn. Jesus, hold my hand, I need thee every hour. Through this pilgrim land, protect me by thy power. Hear my feeble plea, O Lord, look down on me. When I kneel in prayer, I hope to meet you there. Blessed Jesus, hold my hand. That song is super special because I held my mother's hand as she was dying and sang this song to her for hours, just kept singing. And it's a sweet memory, and it's also so painful. It's so hard to lose anybody. But that was her favorite hymn, and she would get agitated if I stopped singing, so I just kept singing. And my sister was in there with me. She sang some. It was just a sweet and precious time. But anyway, I did some little. These are some Tim Holtz frames, and so I wanted them to be able to see that they could put their own picture in there. But look, when you move it, look at that bunny sticking its head. Oh, it's so stinking cute. So I wanted them to be able to see that they could put their picture of their own baby in here. And oh, okay, I want that to go a bit more straight, and now I've gone and put it in cockeyed. Come on now. All right, let me just pull that back out. Okay, there. Oh, it's wanting to go cockeyed again. Come on now. Let's not do that. Oh, I've made a little rip in it. Okay. Let's try to... Oh, I did not mean for this to be this kind of difficult video. There we go. Okay. Put a little trim there, another little cluster there, made with some things my sister got for Christmas. And we've got just a little page edge there. I wanted them to have room to write about the baby and things that were happening. Another little tag. Some of them, like I said, I just put, you know, toppers or whatever and didn't do much. This came out of a little children's book, and it's just really cute. I think it was a childcraft book, actually. And I love this pocket. Just love this. Wonderful Words of Life. And just cute. Just put, "'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus." Just made cute little things. Very easy. They can write on the back of these. Another little Tim Holtz frame. Some butterfly. We got everything. Another little page edge there. A little pocket that came with the kit. And then I showed you these little matchbook tags. And then, let's see. This is a triple pocket that came with the kit. And I've got a couple little tags in there. This one, I think that we did together. It's so stinking cute. I love that. And then I just attached these two together. Didn't really do anything else to them. They're cute on their own. It was so hard to decorate these tags because they're adorable. And then I just made a little tuck with this little belly band and just tucked some things in there. Another little pocket. I cut this one down so that when you take everything out, it doesn't hide the bunny that's behind it. Got Jesus, Precious Jesus on there. Just little things that came with the kit. And look at that. This is how I use these buckles. They're so cute. I love them. And then we've got a fun little belly band there that's got another one of those matchbook tags in there. Just some pages are blank that they can put a picture of the baby or whatever that they want to. And I've just got to do a fabric flip and that little cute bunny there. All right, lay back down. That one got bent. All right, so we've got a fun little cluster there with some bunnies and a hidden paper clip that looks like a little skirt on there. I love that. Lots of room for writing things about the baby. And then we've got this fun, very roomy pocket where I've just put a fun little bow at the top of that. Oh, this is not really a tag even. This has got "My Jesus, I Love Thee" on the back. And they can put lots of pictures in there. There's envelopes, a little wax seal there. And then the last pocket is a double pocket. We've got a lace pocket here. And then just a little pocket there. And it's a very simple little journal. It's not very huge because I wanted them to be able to stack their stuff in it. And, you know, then it would get really big. But I think I will make a little tassel to go on this. My mouth is very dry. Anyway, love, love, love making this, and the papers that come with this. They're so, there's my husband sneezing. I can't even cut that out. Anyway, that's just life. You know, when we're recording these in our houses, it's just life. I don't have a designated place that's quiet that I can do these, so you just get the noise of my house. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and stay tuned for more. We got stuff coming up next week. We're gonna have Christmas with Rob's Kids on Saturday, and it's about 3 hours away from here, so we got a bit of a drive that day. And then next week, hopefully we start his physical therapy, and I'll be doing some more crafts. Well, I was supposed to get a Tag Tuesday done or Tag-tastic Tuesday done yesterday, and I did not get it done. But yesterday I just got away from me. Well, this whole holiday has just gotten away from me. I don't know if any of y'all, the Christmas just came faster than I even anticipated. Ugh, it was too much. But we got it. We're through it. My tree is still up because it's pretty and I don't want to take it down. I love it. It's very purple. Very fun. Okay. All right, guys. I'm all scratchy and gross, so hugs. Bye.